ऐसे और वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। 3, 2, 1, start. I urge upon the members of the ruling party and the government to explain this factor as to how it is that computerization is going to help reduce unemployment. It can be argued that we will produce more and more people will be employed, then there will be more production and jobs. Here I would like to point out that so far as production is concerned, the production is already in plenty. It is very good to give a clarion call to produce more. The Honorable Prime Minister is very much interested in more production. We are fighting for more production. But if there is no purchasing power with the common people, then what is the use of having production only? Now cloth is available in the market in plenty. Grains are available in plenty. But the common people do not have the purchasing capacity to purchase cloth and grains. They cannot have 2 square meals a day. They cannot have sufficient clothing for themselves. This factor should be taken into account while saying so. The purchasing capacity of the common people should be increased. I would like to draw the attention of the government to an important issue which has been pending since 1956. There is a border dispute between the government of Maharashtra and the government of Karnataka. Certain people in boundary areas want to join Maharashtra. When the linguistic state were formed in 1956, at the time of reorganization of states, it was expected that certain parts in between the boundary would be given to Maharashtra. Since then, these people are expressing their desire that they should be allowed to join Maharashtra. So far as democracy is concerned, in democracy, the will of the people is more important. Since 1956, in all elections, they have expressed their desire by winning the elections to join Maharashtra. But till now, justice is being denied to them. About drinking water, government has again said that there is not sufficient drinking water so far as thousands of villages are concerned. It is very disappointing that even after 50 years of independence, we are still not able to provide sufficient potable water to the villages. For bigger cities like Bombay, drinking water is being brought from hundreds of miles by laying big pipes. But so far as villages are concerned, they are being neglected. In Maharashtra, more than 25,000 villages are suffering from want of potable water. Even in rainy season, there are hundreds of villages where water has to be supplied through tankers. I would urge upon the government to look into this matter.